So, Snoop Dogg and Adele, he's been very patient with me while I've been filming my videos today and just sitting in the chair, but sometimes scratching and making noises. And so, this is just literal fluff content. This is what we call our fluff content. This is my first dog I've ever had in my life. Got him after 40. If anyone had told me I'd have a dog at this age, I'd be like, that doesn't sound like me. But now I'm a total dog fanatic. And I can pretty much actually blame Instagram because I started watching like the Pomeranian channels on IG and look, now he's real. I have one. So just blessings. We're so grateful to be having a home today and we're just so grateful today, and we're grateful that so far everyone we know is alive, and it's been a really tough time in Maui, but we're all sticking together and we're going to help each other. Okay, peace out.